let's move on. If voters elect a Republican president and a Republican Senate, your top priority will be, you say, to repeal and replace Obamacare. And I want to drill down into that with you. One of the keys to Obamacare is that it will extend insurance access to 30 million people who are now uninsured. In your replacement, how would you provide universal coverage?
Well, first let me say the single best thing we could do for the American healthcare system is to get rid of Obamacare. Get rid of the $500 billion in Medicare cuts. Get rid of the $500 billion in taxes. In other words, the single biggest step we could take in the direction of improving American health care is to get rid of this monstrosity.
But if I may, sir, you talk about repeal and replace. How would you provide universal coverage?
I'll get to it in a minute. The first step we need to take is to get rid of what's there, this job-killing proposal that has all of these cuts to existing health care providers. Secondly, we need to go step by step to replace it with more modest reforms. There will not be a 2,700-page Republican alternative. We will not take a meat axe to the American healthcare system. We will pull out a scalpel and go step by step and make the kinds of more modest changes that would deal with the principal issue, which is cost. Things like interstate sales of health insurance. Right now, you don't have competition around the country in the selling of health insurance. That's a mistake. Things like lawsuit reform. Billions and billions of dollars are lost every year by hospitals and doctors in defensive medicine. But
respectfully, sir, we're going to run out of time, and I just want to ask, what specifically are you going to do to provide universal coverage to the 30 million people who are uninsured?
That is not the issue. The question is, how can you go step by step to improve the American healthcare system? It is already the finest healthcare system in the world.
But you don't think the 30 million...
What our friends on the other...
But you don't think the 30 million people who are uninsured is an issue?
Let me tell you what we're not going to do. We're not going to turn the American healthcare system into a Western European system. That's exactly what is at the heart of Obamacare. They want to have the federal government take over all of American health care. Look, the federal government can't handle the health care it's already got. Medicare is in trouble already. Medicaid is in trouble already. We need to clean up the health care the federal government's already responsible for.